right, gentlemen. Every year for the competition, like them judges don't judge my composition. But this year I decided to change around and do something different to sing for the crown. Yes, I am a man, and I want you to understand. To win this competition, you have to dress up like a woman. 30 points is for lyrics. That is why I put on the dress. Tonight I'm giving you it, sing it.
That is why I put on the dress.
30 points for melody, sing it.
That is why I put on the dress.
Judge me like Macomé Sisi. Hey,
That
hey.
is why I put on the dress.
I come out to hypnotize.
That is why I put on the dress.
They love to see women's size.
That is why I put on the dress.
Oh gosh! Oh gosh! All you alright? Corruption, hate and necromancy, drugs and disease destroying humanity. Child abuse, yes, it's on the rampage. Rape and murder, it takes center stage. Why searching for peace? Like evil increase. I think it's high time we stop living like bees. 10 points for originality. Sing it!
That is why I put on the dress.
Judges bound to hear me.
That is why I put on the dress.
It's 10 for presentation.
That is why I put on the dress.
Judge me as the woman.
That is why I put on the dress.
If you find me chest looking fat,
That is why I put on the dress.
it's the bra that pushing up that. Hey, hey.
Why I put on the dress.
Lose me! Ladies, all alright? Nice. True thing. It's hard work, love and dedication. It ain't easy being a Calypsonian. Many years I'm singing in this business. I pay my dues, let me tell you this. I could give a commentary or a good song about party. Could even give you humor, all that is connected. 20 points for rendition. I want to hear you.
That is why I put on the dress.
Fans try and understand.
That is why I put on the dress.
It's 10 for presentation.
That is why I put on the dress.
I am 100% man.
That is why I put on the dress.
If I look like Lady Gypsy,
That is why I put on the dress.
I just borrowed this dress from she. Hey, hey.
I put on the dress.
Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Love you all! See all your hand for Macomé Sisi. Let me see everybody here. Boss. It just seems like all your like bacchanal. I ain't come here to cause no scandal. I just here singing and do my thing. But I see this lady just watching. Tonight I'm coming out hot to show people what I got. So now everybody sing the chorus with me. 10 points of originality. Sing.
That is why I put on the dress.
Judge is bound to see me.
That is why I put on the dress.
It's 10 for presentation. Sing.
That is why I put on the dress.
I am 100% man.
That is why I put on the dress.
If I look like Queen Victoria, somebody pinch
That
me.
is why I put on the dress.
I just borrowed this year from her.